In this video, I'm going to show you how to recall or edit an email you just sent in Outlook. Let's launch the Outlook app. Suppose you have sent an email to a client, but then you realize that you have made a mistake and you need to edit it. Firstly, you have to know that you can recall or edit only the emails which are not seen or read by your receiver. If the receiver has already seen or read the email, then it will not work. Now let's send an email first. In the menu bar, click on New Email. In the To section, give your receiver's address. Now give a subject name. Let's add Test, for example. Now write your email here. I have copied a written email previously, so I will just paste it here. Now click on Send. In the Favorite menu, click on Sent Items. This is the email we just sent. Double-click on it. In the Email page, click on File. In the Info tab, click on Resend or Recall. In the drop-down menu, click on Recall this message. Here you should see two options to recall an email. The first one is to just delete your email if it is unread. And the second one is to delete your email and replace it with your new one. As we want to edit our mistakes, I will select the second option and click on OK. Now you can edit your email here. Let's change the price from $100 to $200, for example. Click on Send again. Close the previous email page. Here you can see a new email has appeared at the top. If I open this, you can see that this is the email which we sent later. Following these steps, you can recall or edit your emails before the receiver reads them.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.